Wait, what? GitHub has slash commands? Well, let's give them a look. The first we're gonna see is code. If you type slash and code, you can select the syntax, for example TypeScript, you can write your code, and without leaving the hands from your keyboard, you already have this perfect syntax highlighted code in the preview. The slash command number 2 is details. This will generate the HTML tags so that you can write some hidden text here, for example, in case it's something really long or not too relevant. You can obviously change the header here, and it will render in this collapsible panel. Slash command number 3 is saved replies. You can pick from all your saved replies and quickly insert them in the comment. Or, for example, in case you want to place the cursor in a specific place in the text, you can use this special syntax, and as soon as I enter this saved reply, my cursor will be already here so that if I want to tag someone, it's super handy. One more cool slash command is indeed table. It will allow you to select the number of columns, the number of rows, and a table with headers will be rendered automatically for you. Last but not least, there's the template slash command. This will let you select from the available templates on the repository so that you can have a template with all the requests the repository maintainers might need. The templates are exactly the ones you can find inside the .github issue template folder. Pug is the one I just added. The last slash command we have is task list. It's not available yet, but I assume it will be something like this. Something to create a task list that you can select with checkboxes. So what do you think about slash commands? Are you gonna use them, or do you think it's better to click on the UI to get all the features? Well, let me know in the comments, and if you want to continue watching my content, you can click here to get to the next GitHub related video. Thanks for watching, click the subscribe button, hit like, well, do you enjoy the video? Bye!